Now let's begin with the numbered key. It is called the numbered key because we use numbers in its establishment. Now this one involves using numbers and presenting pairs of characteristics. Now for the first one, for the organisms we considered under the dichotomous key, we are going to use the numbered key to also classify them. Number 1, scales present and scales absent. Now for scales present, we initially cannot put any number against that, and there's a reason for it. For scales absent, we have moved to 2, so we put the number 2 against that. What it means is that for all the organisms that do not have scales, we are going to use another feature to distinguish between them. So the number 2 at the end of the second line tells you to refer to the second part of the key. The number cannot be given to the first line at this stage, but will be given one later, as I explained. For the organisms, we have lion, ostrich, domestic fowl, and the bat, which do not have scales. The second part of a key must use other features to sort them into 2 groups. The lion and the bat have fur or hair on their skin, which the ostrich and the domestic fowl do not have. Again, the lion does not have leathery wings, which is present in the bat. The ostrich and the domestic fowl have 1 pair of legs, but that of the ostrich is relatively longer compared to that of the domestic fowl. Any of these features could be used. So we now move to number 2, which is presence of fur and absence of fur. For presence of fur, we have more than 1 organism over there, so we move to 3. For absence of fur, we also move to 4 because we have more than 1 organism over there. Now we move to number 3, which is presence of fur, leading us to number 3. Part 3 of the key must separate the lion from the bat. So for number 3, we have wings present and wings absent. For wing present, we have the bat, whilst for wings absent, we have the lion. Now that the lion and the bat has been dealt with in the key, we can return to the animals such as the fish, snake, ostrich, domestic fowl, and lizard. The next part of the key will be the number 4. Now, from absence of fur, which led us to 4, now let's have 4. And 4, we are going to use the feature of legs, which has to do with one having long legs, whilst the other has short legs. And with that, long legs will be the ostrich, whilst the short legs will be the domestic fowl. Now that we have also dealt with the ostrich and the domestic fowl, we can return to animals with scales present. That is the snake, the fish, and the lizard. And at this point, this is where we write 5 against this feature, which was the first point we stated. So that from that point, we move all the way to number 5, which is leading from that point. So for number 5, removable scale present as against removable scale absent. And for removable scale, we have fish. And for removable scale being absent, we have more than 1 organism, therefore we go to 6. We now also have to use another feature to separate those organisms. So we have absence of limbs as against presence of limbs. This is for number 6. For absence of limbs, we have the snake. And for presence of limb, we have the lizard. In summary, for the entire lesson we've had today, we looked at how to group organisms such as the domestic fowl, the snake, bat, lion, lizard, ostrich, and fish using the dichotomous key and the numbered key. All too soon, my dear viewer, we've come to the end of today's session. It's been great having you around, going through the numbered and the dichotomous key. Keep practicing, because it is said that practice makes man perfect. I will see you some other time.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating insights into the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of our planet.
Thanks for watching.